Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I am super excited. We are opening up both the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Plus for January. But before we get started, hi, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and my fact of the day is actually a follow-up. I believe it was from the last video I filmed. Some people asked what my degrees are, and I let you know that I went to University of Iowa for college, and I said I got 2 degrees. So I got my Bachelor's of Science, that's Archer playing, which is a good sign. They're starting to feel a little bit better. But I got my Bachelor's of Science in microbiology, and then I got my PharmD, so my doctorate in pharmacy. And I feel like I am losing my voice right now. Hold on. Hopefully I don't sound as bad to you as I sound to me. I hope I'm not getting sick. It's not like I can get what my cats have, I don't think. But anyways, so if you guys are new here, with every Ipsy video, I like to give an Ipsy bag tip of the month. And where did I put my phone? Our bag tip of the month comes from Liz Mullen, and this is one I have not heard before or seen when I was going through the comments. And she said, I like using the Ipsy drawstring bags for purse or shoe dust covers. And I think that is such a good idea. So that's like the big plus bags, and they are a good size for that. So here are what the bags look like this month. So the regular glam bag is, like, you can see through it a little bit, it's transparent. And then this is the plus. They both say dream on it. So of course the theme is dream, or dream it. New month, new year, phew, I know, right? So this video is gonna be a little bit quicker. Like I said, I've got some sick cats, I've got a bunch of things going on. Everything's fine. I know some people worry when I say things are going on. It's gonna be okay. I mean, the cats are feeling better. That's the most important. But I'm going to review the items from my PR bags along with the items in my paid bags. So in that paid video that's coming later. So stay tuned for that. I apologize. And I say it's gonna be quicker, but I think it will be actually, because I'm like losing my voice. But let's start out with the regular Ipsy bag. So this is a $12 bag, and of course I'll link Ipsy down below. So I do get these sent in PR, but the link I leave down below is the one that we all get, like the referral link. I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. And this is my most recommended beauty bag. $12, and you often get full-size items. So some of these, I think I paired them right. When I get these in PR, they put them all like in the same box, and some things come out of the bags. So I think I have this one right. So we have one brush here. So a full-size item, I would say, and this is by LaRousse, and this is the LR222 Kabuki brush. And I love getting brushes. And this is what it looks like. So I'm guessing you use this as, like, Kabuki means like blending brush, right? But for your crease maybe. Feels really nice and soft. And then next up, this is a lipstick I have and I really like. This is by Stila. It's a Stale Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina. And this color is beautiful. If I knew this was in here, I would have put this on today. I kind of do my makeup pretty quick. But this is a beautiful, like, mauve thing. And sorry, my fingers started bleeding a lot. Like, do you ever get those small cuts? It doesn't hurt bad, but they bleed a lot. Like, they happened right before I started filming, so, and my nails are a mess. But the next item, so this is one that could have gone either, because this is a full-size item by CoverFX. It's a shimmer veil, and this is in Celestial. So I do have at least 1 or 2 of these. I didn't go check to see if I have this one yet, so I'm not going to swatch it, but I like these. So they're liquid shadows that have some shimmer in it. I mean, shimmer veil is the name. I guess that kind of gives it away. Whatever, we'll swatch it. I can't help it. I haven't swatched anything like all day. This is like a light pink. Oh, I thought it was Archer. It's Emmy's chowing down. So if you hear that, yeah, anything you hear in the background, chances are cats, my babies, my sick little babies. Next up is by Biro New York. Is this the brand that has like the tomato stuff? Oh, this is salmon cream. So I am a vegetarian, so I can't even handle it in my skincare, so I will pass this on. Probably don't want you guys in a giveaway. This is a luxuriously rich cream that combines peptides and salmon caviar to effectively smooth, firm, and plump the skin. And then the last thing I have here is by You to the People, a brand I've been really starting to like, and this is the Kombucha and 11% AHA Exfoliation Power Toner. So I have been brewing my own kombucha. I have this internal debate in my head every time. I'm like, it's kombucha, right? Not kombucha. I think I said both in the past minute. But I think I need to restart it because I've been like cleaning my house, like deep clean, and you're not supposed to use like any sanitizers by it. I don't know, I won't get into that. But I love kombucha. This is, so, a toner, awesome. I'm excited to try this. Lactic plus glycolic, black tea, and tree bark. And this is a pretty good size. So I finished their face cream, which I think I might have gotten last month or the month before, and then I'm still using their like overnight sleep mask, and I really like it. And I really like their cleanser, so I'm super excited to try that out too. But now let's move on to the Ipsy Plus. And again, some of these items I might have mixed up. But first up, we have an item here by Pure Lease, and this is the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. So it hydrates, balances, prevents fine lines, and preps skin for makeup. I have never tried this one. I think I've received the Blue Lotus eye cream in the past. Let's see what it looks like. Yep, the eye cream had the same packaging, but was a little bit smaller. Next, at first I thought this was the Kate Somerville Milk Lotion. It kind of looks like it when you first pull out that light purple color, but this is actually by Florence by Mills, the Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask in Lavender. I've never tried anything by this brand. So this is by the actress Bobby Brown Mills, right? Yeah, I think that's right. And she was 11 in that one show. Gosh, I can't even speak. I can remember the name of her character when Stranger Things, duh. Ooh, it looks pretty and cool. Moving on by IGK, this is Mistress Hydrating Balm. So I had this in the past, but I think I put it in a giveaway, but I could use this. I let my hair air dry today, and it's looking like it needs some moisture, and then I couldn't find my brush. I was like, who's the brush? I'm pretty sure I have like 5 of them. So I think you use this just to help with, with the frizziness and just hydrate and smooth and soften your hair. So I think someone said they really liked this when I got it last time, but I gave it away, so I'm excited to try this out. This is an item I still have yet to try, but I do own it. So this is a mascara by ABH, or Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can't speak, you guys. I haven't filmed a video in 3 days, and I do most of my work online, so I'm like, oh my god, I'm only talking to my cats and have not used my voice. But this is a Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara, and yeah, I have this, but I haven't used it yet because I can't. Of course it's coming up. My favorite mascara is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, but I do want to try this, so I think I've heard good things. Have you guys tried this? If you've tried any of these things, let me know if you like them, what your experience was. And then the last thing, so this again, I think maybe the cover FX in this could have been switched around for the bags, but it doesn't matter. This is by Kinship. It's a Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. It says bare face equals happy place. I've never tried this brand. So a daily non-foaming cream cleanser that purifies, hydrates, and softens the skin without stripping. Cool. Right now, I'm like, I don't remember what I picked for my paid bags, so it'll be a surprise. Do you guys, did you get any of the same things as me? I'm showing this so up close that we already talked about it, but that was everything, you guys. So it's like a mix of skincare. At first I was gonna say it's mostly like skincare heavy, but I think it's a good mixture. I would love to hear what you think, and I'm pretty sure in my paid bags I'm not getting any overlaps, but I would love to know your thoughts, what you think of the items I got and what you are getting in your Ipsy bags. And next month we're getting Ipsy X for the first time, right? February, time is flying. As always, please leave your Ipsy bag tip of the month, or any bag tip. You can leave as many as you want, and I will maybe feature it in an upcoming video. Even if I don't, people watching this video and scrolling through the comments can see your tip and get inspired by it. And I know I promised a house tour showing you how I use all of my bags, and that will be coming soon once hopefully life calms down and I have more time. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. You guys are always the best. I love you so much. I hope you're safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.